Better English, better life. Learning objectives for the listening exercise are to hone your listening skills, increase your vocabulary, and enhance your pronunciation and fluency.
Hi, this is Georgiana. I'm going for a rainy day walk, a listening exercise. Here's one of the lovely walkways available to us. Very serene and peaceful, a nice place to walk on a rainy day. I feel a little conspicuous walking around in my winter coat, but I'm from Hawaii and I'm not used to this weather. It's in the 15s now. I look forward when it's in the 20s. And not to worry as you're out walking about, there are toilet facilities here. Of course, they're the typical Eastern squat toilets. Nonetheless, in an emergency, you'll be taken care of. This is one of the lovely park areas in the complex. If you can see the pavilion in the back there, that's often where I have lessons during the summer. So here we are at the end of our rainy day walk, listening exercise. I hope to see you in one of my sessions soon. This is Georgiana, and look forward to more listening exercises in the future. Bye-bye.
Well done. How about repeating the exercise for 3 reasons? Number 1, make sure you can understand what's being said. Number 2, look up any words in the dictionary that you don't know. And number 3, turn down the sound, read the transcripts to practice your pronunciation and fluency. Once again, very well done. Better English, better life.